Banished from Earth Classic Game Room broadcasts from the Intergalactic Space Arcade on its never-ending mission to review everything. Welcome to Classic Game Room, where I have a Japanese Game Boy Advance game called NONONO with a giant plate of food on the front of it, but I would say yes, 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 because it's really fun and it looks delicious. Not really sure what that is, but it does look tasty. You know what they say, don't judge a game by its cover, but when the cover looks like this, it's hard not to form some kind of an opinion. Because this is one of the best looking games I've ever seen, judging by the cover. According to the internet, it's called NONONO, Puzzle Che RIAN, or however you actually pronounce that, and features a giant plate of food sitting on top of Mount Fuji. What's not to love about that? This is one of many Japanese games that we have at the Intergalactic Space Arcade that I can't read, but love the packaging and just try to figure out how to play them. Frequently, I can't, and they end up on the I don't know how to play that, and I can't read the instructions because they're in Japanese series of reviews, but I figured out how to play this game, and it's really good. This is basically a collection of puzzle games, where you'll spend most of your time rotating 4 blocks, clockwise or counterclockwise, to put things into position and make stuff happen. Here I am rotating the milkshake onto the whatever that is to create a delicious hamburger. Stylistically, NONONO is great. Although I really have no idea what's going on or who these things or what these things are. It appears that they're being sucked into a wormhole or something, and the only cure for that is cooking food in the microwave. How about a delicious orange spritzer to ease the pain? Why would you heat one of those anyway? Oh yeah, Event Horizon got you down? Try one of those. All of the puzzles here start out really easy and then get challenging quickly, as most of them force you to think a few steps ahead and really try to remember what direction to rotate things. Oh, not only are you being squashed in a black hole, but you're dying hungry. So let's try another game that I like to call walking on puzzle pieces until you fall to your death. I'm not sure what they call it, probably something more cheerful. There's a number of games like this where you have your little guy walk along and then rotate pieces in front of them. The more challenging levels will feature enemies and bombs and curves and all kinds of obstacles. After a while, you'll eventually fall to your doom or get mangled by an enemy, and it's all in good fun. It is fun. This is a surprisingly catchy game. And I like the backgrounds. Giant crabs, fish, looks good. If you want to eat that giant plate of food on Mount Fuji, you gotta play well. Now here's another series of games which is like a slot machine mixed with jewel swapping in Japanese. It's wonderful. Just watch how this one plays. So, who do I have to thank for this? Our good friend Felicity from Worcestershire, England, of course. Thank you. I really like this one. This is a good game, even if I can't read any of the instructions. This is good fun, and it's harder than it looks trying to save those things from being crushed in a black hole. There's even a little cartoon here just to clarify things in case you're confused about why there's a giant plate of food sitting on top of Mount Fuji. This is a really fun game. NONONO, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. There's no region encoding, so feel free to pick this one up and play it on your Western Game Boy Advance. Thanks again, Felicity. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some cakes to microwave. Because it's lunchtime.